Hi guys, so people keep asking me how you use your Vaginne. So basically it comes in this pack and you take it out. This comes in here, you take it out and then you tear out this pack. I've already used this one already, so you don't really, yeah. So it comes out like this. The liquid is already in here. So you've got this cap here, which you just open, be careful. And then you have this here. You take it out this way. The liquid is still in here. It's not going to come out. So what you do is you put this. Remember, look at it this way. You put this in. After you've inserted this inside your, you know where, your vagina, you put this in here. And then you just press in. And once you press it in, the liquid comes out from here and goes into your vagina. So, and that's it. And you take it out, you're done. Okay? Thank you. Bye.